In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a block on Squarespace. This is a very quick task, but it's useful when you want to keep a specific block fixed in place while working on your page layout. Pinning a block can help you stay organized and prevent accidental movement while editing, especially if you're making design changes and want certain content to remain exactly where it is. To get started, open your Squarespace editor and navigate to the page where the block is located. Once you're on the correct page, look for the block you want to pin. When you find it, click directly on that block to select it. This is important because Squarespace only shows block-specific controls after the block has been selected. If you don't see the options you're expecting right away, make sure you've clicked the block itself and not just the surrounding page area. After the block is selected, look for the pin icon in the block controls. The icon is typically small, so take a moment to scan the available editing options if needed. Once you see the pin icon, click it. That action pins the block. And that's all there is to it. After you click the pin icon, the block is pinned and should stay fixed in its current position while you continue editing the page. This can be especially helpful if you're working with multiple blocks close together and want to avoid shifting something by mistake. If you ever need to make changes later, it's a good idea to reselect the block and double check its status so you know whether it's pinned or not. Small interface icons can be easy to miss, so working slowly and confirming your selection can save time. One helpful tip is to zoom out mentally and look at your overall page structure before pinning blocks. That way, you can make sure you're locking the correct element in place. It's also helpful to test your layout after editing, just to confirm everything still appears the way you want. So to recap, you simply select the block you want to work with, then click the pin icon to pin it. It's a simple feature, but it can make page editing in Squarespace much smoother and more controlled. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly pin a block on Squarespace.